Hi guys, it's Emily Elizabeth, and I'm here today to talk about unicorns. Now, you might think that unicorns can't be Gothic. Well, that's wrong. As you can see from my wonderful stuffed animal here, this is a unicorn from Killstar.com, one of their creatures. It is called Myth, solid black, very well made, one of my favorites. Super, super cute and soft, and it's got a tiny little horn. It kind of looks like a My Little Pony, Apocalypse Pony, right? And I have a couple other unicorns in my collection. I love unicorns, they're probably my favorite stuffed animal. So today I thought I would give you a tutorial on how to draw unicorns. Now there are lots of tutorials out there. However, I have an art degree. So I thought that I would teach you using some books that I'm able to reference, such as a book on animal illustrations and a book on mythological creatures. So I think today we can use these references and some basic skills of drawing and figure out how to draw a Gothic unicorn. So why don't you join me in this adventure of magic? Oh yes, by the way, I got a unicorn tattoo and some unicorn snack packs, but that's beside the point. So as you can see, I have some books open here. This is a book on mythological creatures. Turn to a page on unicorns. And then I have some books here which are illustrations of horses. Obviously, you add a horn to a horse, it becomes a unicorn. Wow, magic. I'm probably going to draw a horse rearing because that seems to be a common trend in some of these books. So, based on my research, you want to start with 2 circles. Oh, wow. Wow! And then you want to draw another circle. Right? And then you want to draw a smaller circle. Like a little bit bigger. Here. And then another smaller circle. So you want to connect these 2 circles like so. Here, jelly bean shape. Then you want to connect the headpiece. Connect the neck. And imagine this is like the horse's shoulder, right? Then there's their knee. Well, I guess that'd be more like a hip because they have 4 legs. So there's their knee. There's the ankle. Okay, now we're going to draw the back leg. I'm using a light pencil here. This is a 4H pencil. Then you're just going to draw kind of a back leg that's just a little bit different. Then you got the tail. And then Then you're gonna draw the eye. A horn. Now we have our horse outline. There we go. That's looking pretty good so far. So now I'm going to grab a darker pencil and take a look at some of my reference photos. It's from the British Royal Coat of Arms in 1693. And you can see there's many different styles. That's not even a unicorn. That's like a rabbit. Yeah, and then we have some horses. This is kind of my inspiration for the pose of the horse. And we're going to outline some of our horse's traits here. Now, I think the tail is really where you can add that flourish and those Gothic details. Just adding some swirly swirls. And then that. Remember, this is essentially an exact copy. The back leg is. Like that. There we go. All the squiggles. Lots of squiggles. I don't like that squiggle so much. Let's just like kind of make it more complex. Add some more squiggles. You can add lightning if you want. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, that's looking pretty good so far. And then we have the horse's eye, which is essentially like a triangle shape. I like to draw like little lashes on it, maybe some lines to give it some definition. That's just his nose. I'm giving him a smile because this is my unicorn. I want him to be happy. I think that looks pretty good so far. Now I'm just taking my kneaded eraser and erasing some of the fill lines in here. With the light hand, the light lines will go away and the dark lines will stay. I'm just taking a pen and I'm inking it. I'm just kind of freehanding some of these hair lines. There's no wrong way to draw the hair. There we go. Now we have the horse completely inked. I think we can add some small details, like, so bad looking, eh? Now I'm just going to take this brush pen and fill in its hooves. Use to shade. I'd probably just use colored pencil. there we have it, our unicorn. And doesn't quite look like this one, but it's got her own taste and style. We drew that together. And you can watch me color it. Color with me. I forgot to erase some stuff. I mean, you can't really see it in the camera, but there's still some pencil lines. Not bad so far. I'm liking it. And here we go. We have our Gothic unicorn looking evil as hell with its red eyes, red and black color scheme. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see in the future. And let me know how you like this tutorial, what you think of my Gothic unicorn. Tweet at me using my Twitter, Nice Hot Pink, to share your drawings of unicorns with me. I want to see what you guys created, see what you came up with. I love teaching, and yeah, I hope that you guys like this tutorial. Let me know what else you want to see. Follow me on social media, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!